Big story that we have been tracking, and this is from Bihar itself. In a bold poll promise that could reshape the Bihar election narrative, the RJD's Tejasvi Yadav, he has pledged that every household in Bihar will get a government job if the Mahagathbandhan comes to power. Speaking in Patna, Tejasvi said a new employment law will be passed within 20 days of the forming of the government, which would be fully rolled out in 20 months. Meanwhile, he also took this opportunity to attack Nitish Kumar-led government of ignoring the unemployment issues. He said it's only because of RJD that the focus has now shifted back to jobs and economic justice. Remember, this announcement, it comes ahead of the crucial Bihar elections, which are supposed to take place in November this year. Polling will take place in two phases, on the 6th and the 11th, with counting on the 14th of November. Listen in to what Tejasvi Yadav had to say.
सरकार बनते ही पहले कलम से पहले कैबिनेट में 10 लाख नौकरी जो है तेजस्वी देगा। मौजूदा मुख्यमंत्री जी अभिभावक तुल्य, उन्होंने उस वक्त कहा था कि यह संभव है, पैसा कहां से आएगा, अपने बाप के पास से लाएगा क्या। बीजेपी ने 19 लाख नौकरी नहीं, रोजगार की बात की। उस वक्त उनके फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर यहां आकर के उन्होंने घोषणा की थी। ये बात बिहार के लोगों को पता है, लेकिन सरकार बनने के 2 साल बाद भी किसी को नौकरी और किसी को रोजगार नहीं मिला। बिहार के जिस भी परिवार के पास सरकारी नौकरी नहीं है, ऐसे हर परिवारों को एक नया अधिनियम बना करके अनिवार्य रूप से उन परिवार में नौकरी जो है दी जाएगी। यानी सरकार बनते ही इन्होंने 20 साल तक कोई नौकरी नहीं दी, कोई रोजगार नहीं दी, लेकिन सरकार बनते ही 20 दिनों के अंदर यह अधिनियम बनाया जाएगा और 20 महीने में ऐसा कोई बिहार का घर नहीं बचेगा जिसके पास सरकारी नौकरी नहीं होगी। यानी सरकार बनते ही 20 दिनों के अंदर अधिनियम बनाएंगे और 20 महीनों के अंदर जिस परिवार में भी सरकारी नौकरी नहीं है, तेजस्वी उस हर परिवार को एक सरकारी नौकरी दिलाने का काम करेगा।
All right, let us go back to my colleague Prabhakar Kumar, who has been tracking all the developments coming from Bihar. Prabhakar, Mr. Tejasvi Yadav, he says that every family will have at least one person with a government job. Easier said than done.
See, it's a big poll promise, I will say, because what Tejasvi Yadav went on to say, that he would ensure that every household in Bihar gets one government job at least. So those households who doesn't have any person in the family in a government job, they will be chosen out, and then every household will get one government job, and that too he has given time frame. That will be within the 20 months of his government being in place. So that's a big number he's talking about. That's a huge poll promise. How would he deliver? From where those government jobs will come? How would the budget actually accommodate that kind of load on the exchequer? Is something which Tejasvi Yadav probably hasn't calculated, but it's a big poll promise. And the kind of narrative this particular promise will build will certainly help the India Alliance if it actually percolates down to the last voter on the ground. Remember, Tejasvi Yadav earlier had made few other promises, but then those poll promises which the Mahagathbandhan, or for that matter the India Alliance made, they were implemented by the NDA, by the NDA or by the government in place. That's the NDA and the BJP and the JDU government. So Tejasvi Yadav started calling Nitish Kumar as a cheat minister, not as a chief minister, because he was alleging that whatever promises he's making, those promises are being copied and implemented by the government. So he chose this time, which is after the implementation of Code of Conduct, and Tejasvi Yadav now knows that the government in place cannot actually implement any new schemes because the Code of Conduct is already there, and that's the reason why he has chosen to make this announcement after the Code of Conduct. And this would certainly would have an impact, I say, if they're able to circulate this and percolate this to the voter on the ground.